Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we show you amazing transformations for your home. Today we're going to take you through the journey of transforming an old kitchen into a modern and functional one. As you can see, this kitchen is very outdated. The cabinets are old and worn out, the countertop is scratched and chipped, and the appliances are old and not working properly. But with some creativity and hard work, we were able to transform this kitchen into something beautiful. Ta-da! Look at this transformation. The cabinets are now sleek and modern, the countertop is made of beautiful stone, and the appliances are all brand new and working perfectly. The kitchen now has a lot more storage space, and we've even added a new island for extra prep space. So how did we achieve this amazing transformation? Well, it took a lot of planning and hard work. We started by removing all the old cabinets and countertops, and then we painted the walls a fresh and modern color. We also installed new lighting to brighten up the space. Next, we added new cabinets that not only looked great but were also functional, with features like pull-out shelves and soft-close drawers. We chose a beautiful granite countertop that would stand up to daily use and complemented the color of the new cabinets. Finally, we installed all new appliances, including a high-end range, a refrigerator, and a dishwasher. We also added a new sink and faucet to complete the look, and that's it. With some hard work and creativity, we were able to transform this old kitchen into a modern and functional space that the homeowners will love for years to come. Thanks for watching our transformation today. We hope you enjoyed seeing this amazing before and after. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more great content from our channel. See you next time.